Are you all happy today? Yes. Oh my God, it's a big crowd. This is probably one of the best Kaizen crowd we ever had. Thank you so much. I'm very big clap. And then that thought process infuses into the organization. That's what normally happens. That's what happened over here. Last 7 years, I think we have about a number of new ideas, a number of new thought processes into this organization that infuses into us, making us a very successful organization. So I know there are a number of things that you need to remember. What is a successful organization? We do impossible things here. Am I right? Yes, we do impossible things. And people on the outside wonder why the heck these people are doing this, how they do this thing, okay? We can do impossible things. I think, if you are not a successful organization, if you are an organization managed from the top down, you cannot do impossible things, okay? This is an organization, we think out of the box. Everything I saw in this desk over here today was thinking out of the box. A successful organization allows the people to think out of the box, okay? Do you think out of the box? Yes, we do. Are you continue to think out of the box? Yes, we're going to be, okay?
I also welcome Mittal Saab, who is, in fact, he has given a lot of ideas to come so far, and without his help probably it would have been possible to reach up to that extent. It is a great pleasure for me to in front of you. I am standing at this point of time and seeing what a enthusiasm you people have got for this Parivartan and Kaizen. This is a wonderful thing beyond my imagination. That a small lamp, it was some 5 years back. We thought about that, and now it has taken a big shape, and everybody is involved in that initiative. So thank you all. Thank you for taking this journey up to so long and making so valuable for GCPL.
I've been here now for 2.5 years. I've been coming down here now to you in Halolden, and I'm really proud of what I've seen today. Then it was a beautiful factory going into the factory, and also seeing all these improvements that you're driving now. Then, and of course, I shouldn't be proud. You should be proud of what you're doing there, because what you're really doing is creating a successful factory for the future. Then, with sustainable continuous improvement. That's the only way to create a good future for you and the people in the plant. And that is our obligation, to create a strong and nice Halol plant.
But when I came and saw, I think it's nothing technical. It is something simple, picked up by not the top management, but on the shop floor, people have picked up, and more important, identified and converted into something which is a success. And the number of Kaizens which I couldn't believe myself, and I couldn't even complete all the solves. This is, in one sentence, fantastic. It's a very good beginning. It shows a lot of your involvement, passion, and I think each one of us prove that we have a capability to take this plan to a global level. Are you all ready for it?